In a true example of self-reliant India, rural artisans have found innovative ways to earn their living. Catering to the growing demand for face masks, these artisans impress with their designs.
The COVID-19 crisis has disrupted livelihood of millions of migrant workers and those who are underprivileged. But that has not stopped the section from learning skills to find new ways of earning. Masks being second skin in this corona era, these migrant workers, marginalized and vulnerable artisans, ranging from the differently abled to survivors of human trafficking, have learnt to make some creative and washable livelihood masks to attract income.
कोरोना वायरस के टाइम में एक रोजगार के माध्यम से सीजन के माध्यम से मधुबनी आर्ट मास्क ऊपर बना करके हम लोग बना रहे हैं, जो काफी अच्छा लग रहा है और प्योर नेचुरल कलर सबसे प्राकृतिक कलर से, और जितने ये कपड़े हैं उसमें सारे खादी जो हैंडलूम का है उससे तैयार करते हैं, या फिर जो कॉटन कपड़ा है डबल लेयर ट्रिपल लेयर डाल के बनाते हैं, जो आप सेफ्टी रहेंगे.
ಅದೇ ಮನೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಯಜಮಾನ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಈಗ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದು ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗೋದು ಮನೆಗೆ. ಇದು ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
50 NGOs across India, including Gujarat, Assam, Bihar and Delhi to Karnataka, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, UP and West Bengal, have come together to make 50,000 masks per day and earn a way of life. Akshay Sareen is one among those proactive citizens who brought them together via an online platform, calling it a blessed buy.
We're working with NGOs in 20 states across India, working with rural women, differently abled artisans, as well as state and national award-winning artists who are creating one-of-a-kind masterpiece masks, like the one Nisha here is making. Maintaining social distancing protocols, we're using mobile phone and internet to exchange designs and ideas. We created standard operating procedures to make 2- and 3-layer masks. And these masks are then made by marginalized artisans within the confines of their house. And all transactions, all exchange of information is just done through mobile phone and internet.
These 3-layered masks are WHO compliant and taking the next step. They are also testing to make N95 compliant masks for frontline usage. So if you do plan to buy some masks yourself, then these livelihood masks curated by rural artisans would sure give you that additional protection and satisfaction.